Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be adding windshield washer fluid to my vehicle. My vehicle has a warning light inside the dash area. When your windshield cleaning fluid gets low, it'll give you a light showing you that it's low. Here's a picture of that light. My low windshield washer fluid low light comes on occasionally. Now you need to know that there are basically 3 different fluids that you could put into your vehicle. Number 1, you could put what they call all-season fluid in there. However, that fluid may freeze at about 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want to use that fluid if your car may be in an environment where the temperature goes below freezing. Because if it goes below freezing and you have a lot of fluid in your reservoir tank, it may break the tank. It may break your washer nozzles. It may split the line going to it. It may destroy the pump that pumps the fluid from the tank to the sprayers on your hood. You just don't want to do that. So if you think the car would be subject to below freezing temperatures, you want to get something either that's good for minus 25 degrees Fahrenheit, and I believe they also have one that goes down to minus 56 degrees Fahrenheit. So keep your environment in consideration. Buy the fluid that'll work fine for your car and go that route. When I went to the store to purchase this fluid, because my environment right now normally goes down to about 20 degrees Fahrenheit, which is below freezing, I wanted to get the minus 25, and it appears that they have color coded this fluid. If you go to the store nowadays, the blue fluid is for environments that are above freezing. This purple color fluid is for environments that is down to minus 25 degrees. And then they have another color, I think it may be green, that goes down as low as minus 52 degrees Fahrenheit. You might want to keep that in mind. Get the color code that works for you. Depending on your vehicle, you will have a reservoir that is a certain size. I believe the reservoir in my car can hold as much as a gallon of this fluid. That's the symbol that you see on it. Cap's a little bit dirty, but it's normally a blue cap. You take that cap off and you simply pour the fluid down that hole. Mine will take as much as a gallon, so I'm going to dump most of that in there and the rest of it in my other car. You pull the top off, it'll have an aluminum seal. I normally pull that aluminum seal out. People like to poke that down in the bottle. I don't think that's a good idea, because sometimes a piece of it falls down in the bottle and then you pour that into your tank, which is probably not a good thing. Now my tank has a screen down in it on top of the reservoir, so I'm just going to take this and slowly pour it in there. You could use a funnel if you'd like. I have a relatively steady hand, so I don't normally spill things. I made a little bit of a mess, and if you spill some, no big deal. You can wipe it off with a cloth if you like. No problem at all. That's how much I just poured in my system. It didn't sound like it was full. However, I really can't see the amount in my bottle from here. Maybe I can see it in the sunlight, I don't know. But you want to push the cap back on so nothing else goes in there. And that's all you got to do. You can put the cap on this and store it somewhere until you need some more. To use this fluid that you put in there, usually you take your windshield wiper stock and you pull it towards you. Some cars have a button on the end of the windshield wiper stock that they push in, and it'll squirt the fluid on the windshield, and it will also spray and run the windshield wipers at the same time. Those are my nozzles there. I will say this, I don't really recommend you using your wipers and this fluid to clean heavy debris off of your windshield. An example, if you have a lot of bugs on your windshield or bird crap or something like that, I recommend you go to a gas station. You use the bucket windshield cleaner that they have there, or you go to a car wash. You scrub your windows off with a scrubber, sponge, or whatever, because when you use your wiper blades to clean hard debris off of your windshield, you actually damage your wiper blades. Just a little tip there. You want to use this fluid to clean off minor dirt, things that build up on your windshield over time, dust or something like that, or a little bit of snow or something like that. You should also know that some vehicles, they have headlight sprayers that are used to clean snow and ice off of the headlights, and this fluid that you put in for your windshield is the same fluid that cleans your headlights. And if you have a vehicle that has a rear tailgate with a wiper and washer on that, this same fluid that you put in here will also spray all the way back there to the back and clean that rear window as well. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.